In Green Valley School, 3 friends were excited for a special day.
I'm so excited to be great.
Yeah.
Good morning, Lily. Good morning, Tom. Morning, Emma.
Hey, Emma.
Hi, Emma. I can't wait for today.
Me too, Lily. Yeah, I wonder what we'll do first.
Let's go see.
Yeah, something fun is going to happen. Tomorrow we will have a school eating party. We're having a school eating party.
Wow, a party? Yay, I love parties.
I can't wait for food.
Children were very happy and full of excitement.
This is amazing. I'm so excited.
Classroom looked beautiful for the party.
Look at all the balloons. Everything looks so colorful.
This is gonna be fun. Each friend brought their favorite food to share.
I brought cupcakes for everyone. And I brought cookies. Don't forget the sandwiches and juice.
The table was full of delicious treats. Wow, everything looks so yummy. Let's share with everyone.
Yes, sharing is fun. Yay, party time!
Welcome back, everyone.
Cookies for everyone. Yay!
First, they sang a happy school song. Tom made everyone laugh with his funny dance.
Look at my silly dance.
You are so funny, Lucky.
They shared food with their friends.
Here, try my cupcake. And some cookies.
Sandwiches, too.
These cookies are for you.
Sandwich for you, friend. Everyone enjoyed the food and had fun.
Yum! This is delicious. I love sharing with friends. Best party ever.
Next, they played a fun game, Pass the Ball.
Catch, Lily. Got it. To Tom. Whee! Here comes the ball, Lily. Got it, Tom.
And back to Emma.
When the music stopped, Tom had the ball.
So funny, Tom.
We love your silly face.
After eating, they cleaned the table together.
Let's tidy up. We are a great team. Teamwork is fun.
Juice for you, Emma.
Yay! Thank you, Tom. My turn next.
They shared drinks too.
Here you go, Emma.
Thank you, Tom. I love juice. One for you, Lily.
Captured happy memories in a group photo.
Say cheese.
And they had a funny face contest.
Make a silly face.
Try my funny face. Next, they drew pictures of the party.
I drew the cupcakes. I drew the balloons.
I drew my funny dance.
They showed their drawings to each other.
Look at my cupcake drawing.
I love your drawing. My dance is funny, right? You were all kind and helpful today.
Yay, star sticker.
I love my star.
It was time to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friends.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Walked home together, happy from the party.
That party was so fun.
Yeah, the games were the best.
I loved the cake.
Today was amazing. I loved every moment. Can't wait for the next party.
Friends, food, and fun made the perfect day.
Best day ever. Friends and cupcakes are the best.
I love our friendship.